guys, I have a cute card to put together today, so we're going to put this card together. I have a new digital stamp. I thought I'd draw up a cute image that would be really fun to use to enter into the Coffee Lovers blog hop. So you could download this image, create a card, and enter into the hop. So there's so many prizes to be won on this hop. There's like so many sponsors. We are sponsoring a $25 gift certificate to our shop as well. So there's two images. There's this really cute egg that has coffee cups on it and little coffee beans. So I thought that was really fun. So you could scale the image any size you want with the digital images. You can make a real big one and have that as your focal point, or scale them down to create like a scene like I'm doing here. And then this cute little bunny. So I printed out a bunch and then just cut them out with my brother Scan and Cut. But it's a very easy shape to cut around, so no problems fussy cutting there. So he's drinking a latte and he looks like he's really happy about it too. So I did color him in a smaller version. So see, you can just size him up for whatever needs you have. If you want to make a tag or a slimline card or an A2 size card. Same with the eggs. I did print them out, small little eggs for a different scene. So super fun. And this is a really simple card here. So I've got a slimline panel here. And then I cut out, I used our Dots for Spring. I just love using this paper pad. It is perfect for your spring cards. This is the cover. That's in stock. I'll have it linked in the description box. And I used one side has tiny dots and one side has larger dots. And I used the tiny dots for the grass. And then I just cut it out. This die from Whimsy Stamps, it's the card builder die. And it has the little windows that you can use. So I did use one for the top to put my sentiment in. I also have these pieces from the Lawn Fawn Meadows die. And so that's what I used to cut out this grass hill. So that's how I got away with using a 6x6 paper pad on a slimline card. So I just cut it in half to use as a ground. And I'll just layer that up on there. And this is a Pink and Main die. So I'm going to use this as my base. We can add glue to this first. We are having an Instagram hop as well. So we're doing a little Instagram hop in honor of the Coffee Lovers blog hop. It's a handful of us over on Instagram. So if you want to hop to each of the posts, leave a comment, a like, and enter into that giveaway. We're also doing a separate giveaway over there for a $25 gift certificate to the shop. And they're all going to be using these images here. So if you want some inspiration, head on over to my Instagram account. So I like using the liquid glue. It gives me a little wiggle room before it dries to get that perfectly lined up. And then we can line up the grass in the bottom so it's perfect. I forgot I wanted to tuck in the little egg there, so let's try to get this grass up a little bit before that dries. So I could just inlay my little sentiment there, or I could pop it up. So I think I'm going to pop it up because I want to pop up this bunny rabbit and I want to kind of balance it out. Okay, let's just center that right there. Okay, make sure my spring is straight. That's pretty good right there. We'll add some foam tape to the back of him. So I'm going to add some glue to the back of this egg here. We're going to just glue that straight down. We're going to add our little bunny. And our little digi bunny here is called Some Bunny Bring Me Some Coffee. And it also comes with that sentiment. So that's a really cute sentiment to use. This sentiment here is from our other digital stamp, Carrots the Bunny. This is another cutie. So that's what he looks like. He is super, super cute. You can also find him under the digital images. So let's center this. So that looks good. We're going to have these two clouds flat down, and then I'll have the other two clouds popped up. So it's all about balancing out your elements here. This is the sentiment that comes with the digital image. Somebody bring me coffee. So let's put this together. I did add foam tape to the back because I want this to be popped up. We've got our sentiment popped up, our bunny popped up in these two clouds, and I've added foam dots to the tulips here and the little butterflies. So we have some changes coming to Not Too Shabby. I'm super excited, guys. We are going to be doing subscription boxes. So you could sign up for a monthly subscription box. And what's included in the subscription box is some fabulous exclusive Not Too Shabby products. They might be sold out before I can even have any leftovers. So you might only be able to get the items through the subscription box. So if you do sign up for the monthly subscription box, you're guaranteed a box for next month. You are able to purchase the box without signing up for the subscription, but when you sign up for the subscription, you do get an extra 5% off. And if you do sign up for the monthly subscription, stay on the subscription for at least 3 months. Don't sign up just to get the discount and then cancel. Okay, so let's put these, let's see, we want them, I think I want everything down here. So we'll have a little butterfly kind of like he's flying away from the flowers. And then we'll do this one like he's flying up into the sky. So check out our section. It's called subscriptions. See if the listing is available. Right now, as I'm filming this video, I'm still waiting for everything to get approved. But by the time this video posts, the box might be up for sale right now. They won't be shipping until April 6th. I will be going on a spring break, so Not Too Shabby will be closed from March 27th, I think, through April 3rd, something like that. Just a little break. I usually do that every year, and everything will continue to resume after April 3rd. So I'll start shipping those boxes then. So you will have until April 14th to purchase the April box. So if you do purchase the monthly subscription on April 15th, you are purchasing the May box. So that's how that's going to work. Hopefully those dates I won't have to change. I might have to do a little tweaking with the dates. We'll see. But for now, those are the dates. And then next month I will be shipping starting on the 1st. I'm sorry, starting on May. So in May I will start shipping on the 1st because I won't be on a spring break. And when you purchase the subscription box, you're going to be getting so many ideas from our design team. They will be working with those boxes monthly. So you'll be having tons of inspiration, different ways to use the stamps. So I love that. I will also be showcasing the stamp sets, the paper pads, the ephemera. Okay, so now let's line this up. Let's try to get this on straight. Bring this down so I could see. Okay, that looks good. Press that into place. There we go. Love the dimension on that. So I want to add some sequins to top this off. So I've got some spring sequins in here. These little bows from our ephemera from the Valentine's Day box would go perfect right there. Isn't that cute? I would do that, but I don't have a white border on all of my images, so it doesn't really go, but I could sit here and cut out the bow if I wanted to. That is super cute, isn't it? So let's add some sequins. I'm going to put my glue down first. Let's see, let's get an idea. We want something up here. Let's do a pink down here. Down in this corner. Yellow would be nice. Something over here. Well, let's bring some yellow up here, up into that corner. This purple. Okay, so let's go ahead and add our glue. Super cute. So that completes my card, Spring Wishes. It's so super cute. And I wish I did use the sentiment, somebody bring me coffee. That would have been super cute too. So I hope you guys enjoyed the card. I hope you guys hop along with us. Hop along with us on our Instagram hop. We have the $25 gift certificate to give away. Also, hop along with the Coffee Lovers blog hop. There are tons of prizes to be given away, and it's a lot of fun, especially if you love coffee, tea, or hot cocoa. There are so many projects to look at, and I always enjoy their hop. So thanks guys, I will talk to you real soon in the next video. Bye!